Traders, we are excited to announce our new brokerage partner, Blueberry Markets. They are willing to give you money to trade with them. As part of this partnership, you, the trader, are going to receive a full refund of your Simply Forex Discord fee. So, how will it work? Well, they're going to give you, the trader, $300 when you open an account with Blueberry Markets. More than 30,000 traders already trust Blueberry Markets, and they are highly rated on Trustpilot and Google. You can also benefit from excellent commissions and super tight spreads. Some spreads are zero. And you can also benefit from a dedicated customer support team that you can contact 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And if that's not enough, guys, you can also benefit from our rebate program that we're offering. So Simply Forex and Blueberry Markets have teamed up to offer you this excellent promotion. And if you would like to take advantage of it, guys, then find the link in the video description. Good morning, traders. It's Friday. Woohoo! We have made it. I hope you've all had a fantastic trading week. Today is Friday, the 10th of March, to be exact. And as always, guys, we'll look back at yesterday's trades, we'll look at today's potential trades, and we'll look at the important news for today as well. So let's get started with yesterday's trades. Before we do, a few things to mention. Join our Discord channel, guys. Come join it. Lots of traders sharing knowledge, ideas, general chit chat. I've also got the VIP rooms now where you can have direct access to my trades and also ask me anything you like. Secondly, don't forget the live streams every Wednesday, 6:30 a.m. London GMT. Join us for that. Again, ask as many questions as you like. And thirdly, guys, if you would like to be mentored one-on-one with myself, then drop us an email and we'll send you the details. And also, guys, I'm just very excited to tell you we have an educational challenge coming soon where you can earn while you learn. Yeah, that should be a t-shirt. Earn while you learn. Yeah, so really excited to announce that very soon. Stay posted. Is that the word? Stay tuned. Okay, guys, yesterday's trades. The first one we looked at was this, US dollar, Swiss franc. So if I zoom out, guys, there was this important grey zone running through this pair. Yeah, they're here, prices reacted here, and now it's reacting in here as well. All right, so this was an important weekly, daily level on the US dollar, Swiss franc. And for me, guys, we had a bit of a breakdown here. Yeah, we wasn't making higher highs, and then it broke this area here. Okay, so that for me said there was a change in direction. Price come back up, tested these highs, and then we got a bit of a doji. But I was willing to take shorts off the back of that doji, yeah, because it wasn't making higher highs and was in a downtrend. Okay, and then sure enough, price came crashing down yesterday. Yeah, we had a bit of bad data coming out of the US, but to be honest with you, I just think that the dollar wanted to correct itself. So yeah, you know, it was a very good trade. Yeah, we called it up here, and then price hit our first target and our second target. It won't be a trade idea for today because this is clearly support. But if it breaks through this level, yeah, something like this, then yeah, we can continue shorting it. Right, but let's look at the H1 to see if we could get in on this pair. And we could, yeah, so there was a few candles we could get in on. So the first one was this one. Yeah, let's do this. So we had all our grey zones mapped out, guys. We had this grey zone and this grey zone. These were the important grey zones for this pair yesterday. And then this candle here broke these lows, okay? So you could have entered on that candle, okay? But I wanted to wait for the H4 break, okay? But you could have entered on this candle, put your stop above, you know, the entry candle and take price down to here, okay? Good trade. The next candle was potentially this candle, but the problem with this candle was the risk to reward. You know, if you entered here and your target's here and your stops up here, the risk to reward doesn't make sense. Okay. But if your target's down here, yeah, then again, we could have entered on this candle here. So this was the H4 candle actually that broke. Yeah, this was H4, which told me that we had broken this grey zone for sure. Yeah. And then we had a retrace back into this grey zone. And then we had this candle. Yeah. It was driven by news. Yeah. But I actually got in on this candle. Yeah. Okay. Entered here, stop above here. I took price back down to 1:1 and then let 20% run down to here, guys. All right. And yeah, made some nice profit on this pair. Okay, so that was US dollar, Swiss franc. It gave us lots of opportunities. And even if you missed this one, guys, if you missed the break, I say this to all my mentorship guys, yeah, if you missed the break, chances are you are going to get a retrace. Yeah, price came back up to here. We got another bearish reaction. Yeah, we can take it lower again. Yeah, so this fear of missing out, don't have it. It will always give you another entry. All right, so that was US dollar Swiss franc. Yeah, great trade, great direction of the trade. The next one was this. Yeah, so we were seeing a bit of a US dollar turn in the US dollar. Yeah, so if we go to the day chart on the yen, US dollar yen. So what I liked about this was the level it was at. Yeah, so prices reacted here, 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 and now here. Okay, so we really liked the level that yen was at. And again, it wasn't a particularly bearish candle. It was just the level that it was at. All right, and then sure enough, again, price come down, hit both our targets. Okay, so again, direction was good, good trade. This one was difficult to get into. So by the time I was looking at the market, you know, price was around here. Okay, which made it a little bit difficult. So yeah, maybe if you were up here, yeah, and you got in on one of these candles, then great. But when I was looking at the market, it was already down here. And then after that, we did have this candle. Yeah, you could have entered here, but realistically, your stop has to be up here. So there's not enough risk to reward there. There's not enough reward for too much risk. So for me, guys, yeah, it just price action and the candles didn't allow me to get into this pair. It was difficult. Although, again, direction very good. And the final trade was this gold. And this was a wonderful trade. Yeah, this gave us, yeah, profits like you wouldn't believe. So let's take a look. What were we looking at? So this was really a weekly play, the gold trade. Yeah, this is the weekly chart. And this grey zone through here, where price have reacted many times. Yeah, this is a pivotal grey zone. Okay, so this was a pivotal grey zone on the weekly chart. We had a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. We had the moving average 20. We were in an uptrend. Yeah, what's not to like? Okay, so this was a real weekly play, guys. We go to the day chart. We were just looking for, price to bounce off this level. Yeah, and you can clearly see yesterday's candle that it has. It'll be a trade idea for today. But what were we looking for, guys? So on the H1, yeah, if we ignore all this, because that didn't happen, but on the H1, guys, we were just looking for a build up in structure, like we always do. So price came down. At this point, yeah, we had lower lows. We was technically in a downtrend. But then when we broke these highs here with this candle, we were in an uptrend. All right. So as soon as I got a break here, I actually entered the trade. Okay. So I entered a couple of times. So how I traded this, and guys, there's entering trades and then there's managing trades. Okay. Managing trades is the real skill. All right. So I actually entered here on the close of this candle, not 100% of size. Yeah. And then I was putting my stop below here. Once I got some profit, I took some profit. Then price come back down to this last level through here. Yeah, so what was once, resistance now becomes support. And we entered here. It was a little bit on the back of news as well, but it wasn't huge data. But it was such a big miss. And again, we entered in here. I put this trade on my VIP Discord, guys. So, yeah, if you would like to see my trade ideas every day, join the VIP Discord. And then look, bang, entered in here. Bang, 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 bang. Yeah, we made a nice profit. The first target was in here, guys. But to be honest with you, that is always my first target. But it depends greatly on what that candle looks like. And if this candle looks like this, let it run. Yeah, leave it. Don't take the profit. Okay. And yeah, we had a fantastic trade here. Should probably stop trading for the week. Okay, so yeah, gold, great trade, guys. And we just got, the important thing was our structure break. Yeah, bang, with this candle here, we got a H1 structure break in a gray zone, and then price on the back of news as well, price took off. I'm looking for retraces today, guys, so I can get back in. All right, guys, so that was yesterday's trades. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, what a great day trading yesterday, yeah, especially that gold trade. So, yeah, if you enjoyed the recap, then come join us, yeah? Subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button, and smash the like button. We'd love to have you. Right, trades for Friday the 10th of March. Before I start, guys, a few things. First of all, Discord channel, guys. Come join our Discord. The link is in the video description. We've also got VIP Discord now, where you could ask me questions throughout the day and get all of our trade alerts. All right, so come join that. Secondly, our live stream every Wednesday, 6:30 a.m. London GMT. Join us for that. Ask as many questions as you like. Thirdly, if you would like to be mentored one-on-one with myself, then drop us an email and we'll send you the details. And there's also another thing now, is our educational challenge. It's not quite ready to be released yet, but we've been working with a partner to build an educational challenge where you earn while you learn. Yeah, brilliant. All right, so we'll let you know about this very soon. Right, trade ideas for Friday the 10th of March. So I'm looking at the yen pairs, all right? But my trade idea is Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. But, we could really trade, any of the yen pairs. This is Aussie dollar, Japanese yen. Yeah, and we've broken out of this upward channel. And now we've broken out of these lows here as well, this gray zone. All right, so structurally, we're in a downtrend. Okay, if we zoom in, yeah, you can see yesterday's candle even broke all of these lows here. All right, so yeah, yen pairs, I'm looking for some shorts, basically. So we could get a retrace up to here and then take it back down to this 89.08 level. All right, so that's Aussie dollar, Japanese yen. I won't go into details with it, guys, because my trade idea is Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. You could also trade New Zealand, Japanese yen. Yeah, same scenario. Yeah, we've literally just broken out of this channel. All right. And then, yeah, structurally, we've broken down as well. We've broken these lows here. So you could also trade New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. Yeah, the problem with this one is there's a little bit of resistance support through here. Yeah, you can see it here. So that's why it wasn't my trade idea. But finally, my first trade idea is this: Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. All right, where are you, Canadian dollar? Here you are. Okay, so yeah, as with a lot of the yen pairs, price is breaking down, structure is breaking down. So, we were clearly in an uptrend. Yeah, but then we stopped making higher highs. Yeah, always a red flag, guys. And then prices come shooting down, breaking these lows, and even breaking out of this gray zone. And if that's not enough, we've got a very bearish candle that formed yesterday. Okay, so yeah, for all of those reasons, we're looking to short this pair. And we're looking to take price up and then potentially take it down to this psychological level of 9,800 or the next psychological level of 9,700. I always look for OOs or 50s for my targets. Yeah. You know, this is an OO. Yeah. You know, a OO level or a 50 level. Yeah. These are strong psychological levels. All right, so Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, we're looking to short that pair. Let's drop down to the H1 now to see how. So we've got a couple of areas of interest. So structurally, yeah, I would argue we've just broken H1 structure. Yeah, we've just broken here. All right, so it's formed a grey zone, yeah? What was once support has become resistance, and it could become support again. So this has become an important grey zone, this one through here. All right, we'll discuss that in a minute. But firstly, we have this grey zone. Okay, so again, guys, if price comes up to here, we get a bearish reaction. Yeah, when I say bearish reaction, bearish candlestick pattern, or just a candle that tells me sellers are in control, and I combine this with an M15 structure break, we get all of those things. Yeah, we can start taking price back down to this last low or even this psychological level. But remember, we also have another higher target as well. All right, so that's the first scenario. And then it depends what happens on this grey zone, guys. Yeah, so price could, you know, potentially come back up, do a bit of this, and then break this grey zone. Okay, and then we could take price lower. Yeah, it depends what happens, guys. But again, yeah, you know, just keep an eye on the price action and the price structure. But this action could also happen, and then we get a trade in here at the grey zone to take lower. All right, so yeah, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen short. But to be honest with you guys, you could trade Aussie dollar yen short or New Zealand yen short. But I like this one, guys, because it has more room to move into before we start hitting potential resistance here, potential support here. All right. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, that is my short. We're also looking, I mean, there's a few Swiss franc pairs. I mean, look at the day chart, but Aussie dollar, Swiss franc, this is just too overbought. Yeah, look where the moving average is and look where price is. It's just too overbought. Yeah, New Zealand, Swiss franc, less so. You know, and this could potentially be a trade idea. But again, moving average and where price is just too far away, guys. All right. So, yes, these are, you know, shooting down. But, you know, will it let us in the trade? You know, we need a bit of a retrace before we come lower, ideally. But for today, not trade ideas on the Swiss franc pairs, because we saw a lot of Swiss franc strength. My second trade idea, though, is this gold. You are gold. Gotta stop singing that. And as you know, guys, I keep prattling on about this, that it's a weekly play. And it is a weekly play. Yeah. So we're at this grey zone, and it's very important grey zone on the weekly chart. Yeah, price has reacted many times in this zone. All right. If we zoom in, yeah, there's lots of things to like about this trade, and I keep saying them. We've also had a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. Yeah, it's engulfed the previous candle. All right. Also, we're in an uptrend. All right, so many things to like. We're in an uptrend. We're at a key support level, plus the moving average 20 support stat, and we've got a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, and we're in an uptrend. My God, what is not to like? Yeah, and we just want to take price back up to here. So that's a real weekly play. If we now drop down to the day chart, we have had that, you know, that response that we wanted off of this level. So yesterday we were looking for this response, and then we got it. Yeah, we got this bullish candle bounce off of that level. Yeah. So all I'm looking for, guys, is a retrace to take back up to this level or potentially back up to this level, and then even those last weekly highs, guys. So an interesting thing here, guys, is imagine I was a swing trader. Yeah, imagine I'm a swing trader, a very higher time frame trader. All right, and I entered here. Yeah, put my stop below here. All right, and then my target is, you know, those last weekly highs. So yes, this will, you know, probably be a good trade. I get a nice, this is my reward. Yeah, this is my risk. Yeah, okay, good. Yeah, lots of people are swing traders. This is how they trade. An intraday trader, yeah, has several opportunities. So I'm going to get in from here to here. Yeah, I'm going to take some profit. Maybe it retraces. I'll get in from here to here. I'll get in again. Maybe it breaks. Yeah, we get a retest. I'll get in again from here to here. Yeah, and then it comes down again. I'll get in again from here to here. Yeah, it comes up, breaks this level, comes back down. I'll get in again from here to here. As long as my criteria and my strategy and my setups are solid, I can get in and out of this gold, you know, several times. Whereas a swing trader, yeah, you're just going to get in the once. And I'm not saying it's wrong. I'm not saying it's right. I'm just showing you the difference. All right. Whereas myself, I'm in, out, in, out, in, out. Shake it all about. All right. So, yeah, that's the difference between a swing trader and intraday. But, guys, yeah, we're looking to get in on this pair. If we drop down to the H1 chart now, what are we seeing? So there's this important grey zone through here. Yeah, price reacted a couple of times here. So, you know, my alarm, you can see my alarm here ready to go. So price, you know, could come back down into this zone. Yeah, we get a bullish reaction. We can then enter the trade. We can take price back up to these last H1 highs. Yeah, where we close 80%, and then we can leave 20% to run. You could leave 10%, you could close the remaining 10% here and then leave 10% to run. Yeah, we can be more, you know, more fluid and dynamic with our trading. This is all about managing a trade. I talk about this in the mentorship program, guys. So yeah, this is what we're seeing. So you can see, guys, there was this H1 structure, yeah, and we're not getting higher highs. So this tells me we're due a retrace. Yeah, where will it retrace to? I don't know, but this grey zone is a good area. Perhaps it retraces to here and we get a very bullish candle. Then, okay, this is also a possibility. But yeah, gold long. We're looking to long this pair. All right, guys, so my two trade ideas are Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, and gold. But I also want to show you the pound. Yeah, the pound. Look, every pound pair is at an interesting level. Pound Aussie dollar day chart. Yeah, interesting level. Yeah, price is reacted here, 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 and could potentially react here. So again, guys, I just want to see when we're in these important daily grey zones, I just want to see a H1 structure break. Yeah, something like this. Once we get a structure break, I'm willing to look for shorts. So that's pound Aussie dollar. Let's have a look at the next one. Pound Canadian dollar. Exactly the same scenario. Yeah, all of these pound pairs are up very interesting daily highs. Again, H1 structure breakdown. Let me show you on the H1. So this is the daily chart. On the H1, all I'm looking for, guys, is, you know, H1 is clearly in an uptrend. But, you know, just something like this. Maybe it goes a little bit higher. Yeah, and then eventually, bang, we get a breakdown of structure. Yeah, then I'm looking for shorts. Okay. And that's the same with all of these pound pairs. So that's pound Canadian dollar. Which one next? Let's do pound Swiss franc. Let's go on the day chart. Yeah, interesting level. Yeah, next one, pound. What is the next one? Pound Swiss franc. Pound. No, not pound. Yeah, pound New Zealand. Okay, another interesting level. Yeah, we're up here. See what it does. And also pound US dollar is at an interesting level. All right, so yeah, pound, all at interesting level. Look for H1 structure breaks, guys, and we potentially have a trade. Guys, if you enjoyed my daily analysis and my trade ideas, then come join us. Subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button and smash the like button and join the Discord channel, guys. Right, let's take a look at the news now. So news for Friday, the 10th of March, guys. So, yeah, we've just seen Japanese yen press conference. Yeah, we saw that spike up in the yen. So, yeah, so that's obviously had a bit of an impact already. If we carry on down, guys, the first piece of news we're interested in is this. Yeah, 7 o'clock, London GMT, we got the GDP. So GDP, important figures, guys. This could really move the pound. At the same time as well, we've also got manufacturing production and monthly GDP. So lots of news at 7 o'clock coming out of the pound. So be aware, guys. That's really going to move the pound, guys. Next piece. At the same time, we also have German CPI. So yeah, crazy. 7 o'clock is going to be a crazy hour. So as we know, CPI, inflation, big problem at the moment. So yeah, this could really move the euro, guys. If we carry on down, the next pieces of news are this. So we got NFPs today. Big news, guys. Yeah, non-farm payrolls at 1:30, London GMT coming out of the US. And at the same time, we've also got unemployment rate in the US and employment change coming out of Canada. So you can imagine if you're in a US dollar, Canadian dollar trade at that time, hold on to your hat. Yeah, don't be in that trade, to be honest. But yeah, big news, big daddy news, guys, NFPs. And then if we carry on down, 3 o'clock, we've got the head of the ECB speaking. So when she speaks, she can really move the euro. And then after that, guys, as you can see, yeah, no other news that we're interested in. All right, so quite a busy news day, guys. So be careful, tread carefully. I hope you have a great trading day, a great weekend, and I'll catch up with you on Monday.